everybody, what is up? I know this video is starting off super random, but I'm about to explain, so don't worry. Basically I'm going to be doing like a summer get ready with me type video. I don't know, something, because I'm on vacation I guess right now. We're in town. We're on vacation for like, we're not home. I don't know. We're not at my house, so does that count as vacation? I don't know. We're out of town in this town for a wedding, so I was like, the wedding's actually tomorrow, but tonight we have like a nice dinner, so I was like, I'm gonna film it and film me getting ready because I'm wearing a little bit more makeup than I usually do. So I was like, I'm gonna film it and show you guys how I'm getting ready. I still need to do my hair. I actually got a balayage like a couple days ago and you guys haven't seen it, but it kind of looks weird. I don't know. That's what it looks like. But I figured I would do a get ready with me. So let's go. And I'll show you guys my outfit after, so don't worry. I'm kind of gonna do like light, pretty, natural makeup today. I'm gonna wear like some fake eyelashes, so I hope that it looks good. But I want to show you guys what I'm gonna start off with my base as, because I don't really like showing you guys my like foundation and that stuff. It's really boring to me. So I'm gonna use for primer the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. It's a favorite of mine. Glossier is so amazing, and all of their products are literally the best, and I want to buy all of them. I'm also going to use the Milk Makeup Cooling Water for my under eyes because it's like a very nice under eye base. And then for foundation, I'm going to use my NARS one. This is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Light for DeVille. It's just in the bag. And I will be back with you guys when I'm done doing this. Okay, so I just put on my foundation and all that stuff, and I discovered that my Milk Makeup stick can literally just fall out. Like, I think I got like a messed up one. Look, it can literally just like, it can literally just fall out. Do you guys see that? Like, it literally just freaking fell out. So I have a broken one, so I'm kind of mad about that, but whatever. I'm going to be using the Maybelline It's an Age Rewind concealer, and I felt like this could be like maybe a really good chit chat get ready with me. Possibly. I don't know. I've been wanting to tell you guys that you guys are literally amazing. Like, no, I literally just want to tell you guys that you guys are amazing. Like, I was literally at 700 subscribers last week, and literally we're at 800. Like, I just want to say, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and I hope that you guys enjoy my channel. I try to like post as much as I can, and now that it's summer I have a lot more time. And I love your guys' suggestions that you give me for videos, so make sure to always comment suggestions that you have, because I actually read your comments and I take those video ideas into mind. So if you have a video that you really want to see from me, comment below, because I would love to hear. So I'm trying to go for like a glowy kind of like naturalish look. So I'm going to use this powder by Rodan & Fields for my face. So I'm going to do that one first. I put it on my forehead, and I put it on my smile lines and around any like blemishes and stuff. Because I put it on my smile lines because I creased really bad there, and I put on any blemishes and things because I find that makeup goes away a lot faster around like blemishes and stuff. I kind of like try to put it on my cheeks a little bit and look around my mouth and basically do my whole face, to be honest, but whatever. Okay, now it's time to bake, and I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Hopefully I don't look this pale by the end of this video, but knowing me, I'm really pale, so I probably will look just this pale. But I'm gonna set the mirror up like under you guys. So I'm going to the Bahamas soon, so comment what videos you guys want to see there, because I'm gonna bring my camera and film as much as I can. Okay, now we're gonna go to the eyebrows, and I've totally simplified my eyebrow routine. I literally only use 2 products. I could only use 1, but I used to. This is my favorite brow product ever. I love it, but I do have one recommendation. They're never gonna watch this video. This is made by Glossier. Obviously, you guys probably know that. They're so amazing. But this is the Boy Brow in brown. I love this product, but it's so tiny and it's gonna run out so fast. I use it like every day, and it's like, pretty sure it's gonna run out soon, but I wish I'd make a bigger tube of it. I'm using like, I use like 3 Glossier products in this video, I think, because I made a video on them going to their pop-up, and I wish I would have bought everything. Like, that's hecka money, so I can't do that, but I wish I did, because I literally, there's not one product that I don't want. from them, but I really want to go to LA and go to their shop and get some more things. So I'm gonna see if I can do that. I'll definitely vlog it if I do go to LA and go to their shop. I don't know if I'll be able to go, but I got my eyebrows done for the first time in like 3 months, so that's great. I literally never get my eyebrows done. Like I go like once every like 3 or 4 months because I don't want them to get like thinner than they already are, and they're really thin. So. Oh, I brush out my eyebrows with the spoolie, by the way.
Hey, I'm in the vlog. Hey.
It's not a vlog, it's a get ready with me.
Oh, are you still filming?
But now I'm gonna take my clear brow gel. I really want to make it like 2 times this summer. Okay, eyebrows are done. This video is very long. I'm so sorry. Okay, that's how my face looks right now. I'm debating if I want to do eyeshadow or not, but I'm kind of leaning towards no. The other palette that I brought is this one. It's the ColourPop one, and it looks like this. It's really pretty. I may use like this color on my inner corner or something, but I don't know. I just don't really feel like doing eyeshadow. I want to put bronzer on my eyelids, but like I don't feel like it. I think we're gonna skip out on eyeshadow and just go with lashes. So yeah. Okay, so basically I'm wearing eyelashes, so I'm gonna show you guys how I apply them. It's a long process that I don't really feel like doing, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply them, and I'm just gonna skip through the whole thing because it's gonna take me like 10 minutes, so I don't feel like you guys should have to sit there and watch me do that, so I'm gonna just do it. So I'm gonna take, so these are the eyelashes I'm using. They're the Andrea individual eyelashes. These are the wispy ones. So I take one of the short and one of the medium, and I put the medium on the outside of my eye and then the short on the more, like closer, and they look like eyelash extensions. It's so pretty. And how I apply them is I use tweezers, some lash glue, and this other lash tool, and then I'm gonna use 2 mascaras. So okay, so I'm gonna use these 2 mascaras with them. So I'll be back once they're on. So okay, so I put on my lashes. They're probably gonna fall off because I poked my eye like a heck of times, but I don't know, hopefully they look good. I'm thinking about getting eyelash extensions, so this is kind of what they would look like. So yeah, but I applied my lashes. I just did individual lashes because I think that they look the most natural, and I just like how they look the best. So this one kind of looks a little bit crazy, and I combined them with mascara. So now it's time for my favorite part, which is a blush and highlight. That's all we have to do left, and then we're done. So for blush, I'm going to take the Beam, the Cloud Paint and Beam. I haven't used this one yet. I own 2, and this is the one that I haven't used. It's the more like orangey toned one. I mean, I don't really know, but I love the look of sunburn. Like I love sunburn. I love the look of being sunburnt, so I put it like very high on my cheeks. Okay, I just put on my blush, and it looks a little bit crazy. I was trying to blend it out a little bit and kind of like use my beauty blender to kind of like blend it out, but it's not really working, so we're just gonna have to go like this. And I'm gonna take my ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money. This is like, it's literally, it's the most amazing product. It's like, ugh, it's so good. So I just like swirl my finger in it just like this. It's like, it feels like amazing on your skin. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. Okay, I think we're basically done, but I want to put a little bit of an inner corner highlight, and I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to grab my the Mirza She palette and use a little bit of that. I'm just going to use this color right here, which is called Ladylike. I'm using a little bit of the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I'm going to take a little bit more. ColourPop shadows are so pigmented, like you literally only need like a little bit, and then it's like, oh, pigmentation, there you are, okay, hi. Okay, so this is the makeup. I really should curl my hair, but I don't think I want to save time. I'm debating if I wear jewelry or not. I don't know, like what should I wear? This guy's watching me right now, but I'm really glad I put on fake eyelashes because I feel like it brought looks together. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick, and then I think this video's gonna be done. Okay, I'm sorry about this big old gorilla pot out here, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing real quick. So I'm wearing this long, it's like open back dress from Forever 21.